Yeah, we got the Vert Fox on the lift. So what's up, everybody? Well, we're back at it again. We're about to do some more reconstruction on the 3-valve swap Fox, and we're about to show you what we're about to get into. So let's get right to it. Got the Vert Fox on the lift. And we're about to take a look at the underneath real quick and show you what we're going to get into. So this is the underneath of the Fox. Ain't nothing super special. Stock 8.8 with the 5-lug conversion, disc brakes. We got the little dirty under here. SVE control arms, upper and lower, which they say the best is to run like the stock upper control arms and some better lowers with the pan hard bar. We'll eventually might do that. We still have all the rubber bushings, lowering springs. They're actually Coney oranges in the back that, like all of them, the paint comes off, and I just repainted them yellow. Some paint that I had laying around. So what we're getting into today is we got these cheapo subframe connectors, and as you can see, this one, the seat brace really never even lined up, so I kind of got it ghetto rigged for now. But here in a couple minutes, we're gonna cut these out. We're gonna cut these cheapo subframe connectors out and put some better ones in. So just a little preview of the underneath. Decent shots for the underneath. We got the T45 transmission. Probably one of the first Stifler cross members. This exhaust right here ain't pretty. I always wanted to redo it because this side really didn't line up when we put it together. So with these custom headers, you could see the tubular K-member and A-arms. Everything's looking like it's still holding up. All the weld repairs, the strut towers, still looking pretty good and healthy. So this is just a little underview shot of the Vert Fox. Safety loop, aluminum drive shaft. We got the end lines, dumps. So what we got here is the SVE full-length subframe connectors. And these are what we're going to be putting on instead of the cheapo ones that are on there. And they come with the torque box reinforcements, so we definitely needed that. Wiped it off with grease remover, and we're going to use this to paint them. They say to paint the top of these first before you put them in. And then we also got some undercoating we'll spray over everything when we're done. So these are the SVE full-length subframe connectors. And these ones are, I don't know, some cheapo eBay ones that never even lined up, and they did the job for now. We're putting better ones in and hopefully have better results. It's always good to put subframes on these cars because they're unibodies and they twist, and especially this being a convertible. We might have to cut these plates out, the added plates. We do have lower torque box reinforcements up in there. You could kind of see them. So we do have those in there already. And you can see they're a little bit beat up. The torque boxes are beat up in this thing. But like I said, this ain't no show car. This is a driver. The rear floor pans were replaced. I replaced them a while ago. This is one of the cars I kind of learned on too, how to do things. So that's the 3-valve. First time on a lift. And those are the subframe connectors we're about to put on and get going here. So there's some more content for you. We're going to be putting these subframe connectors on, and if you like what you're seeing, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in, and you know what to do till that next video. Peace.